Hi guys, welcome to my channel techgitter. The process for filling out 1099 forms for 2025 is generally the same as previous years, but there are a few key points to remember about the specific type of 1099 you're filling out, which we're going to discuss in this video. The most common 1099 forms for independent contractors are 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation, and 1099 misc, miscellaneous income. Here, I'll focus on the 1099 NEC because it's used most often for contractors and freelancers. How to fill out a 1099 NEC. Obtain the correct forms. The IRS provides the official 1099 forms, which are also available at office supply stores or through tax preparation software. The forms come in triplicate for the IRS, recipient, and your records. Payer's information. Box 1. Payer's name, address, and phone number. Fill in the name, address, and phone number of your business, the payer. Box 2. Payer's TIN, taxpayer identification number. Enter your business's EIN, employer identification number, or SSN, social security number. Recipient's information. Box 3. Recipient's name. Enter the full legal name of the person or business, contractor, or freelancer who performed services for you. Box 4. Recipient's address. Enter the full address of the recipient. Box 5. Recipient's TIN. Fill in the recipient's taxpayer identification number, TIN, which is typically their SSN or EIN. If you don't have this information, you should ask them to fill out a Form W-9 to provide it. Report non-employee compensation. Box 6. Non-employee compensation. Enter the total amount you paid to the contractor during the year. This includes all compensation you paid for services rendered to your business. Do not include reimbursements or other non-service payments. Review other boxes, if applicable. Box 7. This box is used for reporting backup withholding if you withheld taxes from the payment to the contractor due to issues with their TIN, e.g., incorrect or missing TIN. If this doesn't apply, leave it blank. Box 8. If applicable, report any direct sales of $5,000 or more, e.g., for goods, to a person who receives a 1099. File the form with the IRS. Deadline for filing. The 1099 NEC must be filed with the IRS by January 31, 2025, for payments made in 2024. This is the same deadline whether you're filing electronically or by mail. If filing electronically, you can use the IRS e-file system or other third-party e-filing services. If filing by paper, mail the form to the IRS at the address provided on the form instructions. Provide the recipient with their copy. Deadline for recipient copy. You must provide the recipient, the contractor, with their copy B of the 1099 NEC. You can mail it to them or, if they agree, deliver it electronically. File state forms, if required. Some states require separate filing of 1099 forms, so check with your state's tax authority to determine if you need to file a state version of the form. In some cases, you may need to submit 1099 forms to state tax agencies in addition to the federal filing. Retain copies for your records. Keep a copy of the 1099 forms for your records. The IRS recommends keeping all documents related to taxes for at least 3 years. Common mistakes to avoid. Incorrect or missing TIN. Always double-check the contractor's TIN and verify it using their W-9 form. If the TIN is incorrect, the IRS may penalize both you and the contractor. Missing forms. Ensure you're filing the right form. If you paid someone $600 or more for services in 2025, you need to file a 1099 NEC. Late filing. The IRS imposes penalties for late filings, so make sure you meet the deadlines for both filing with the IRS and providing the contractor with their copy. Additional types of 1099 forms. 1099 misc, used for reporting miscellaneous income like rents, prizes, or other payments. It is no longer used for non-employee compensation, which now goes on the 1099 NEC. 1099K. If you paid an independent contractor via credit card or third-party network, like PayPal, this form might be applicable. If you are using tax software to file, the process is much more straightforward. The software will guide you through entering the required information, and it will file the forms electronically for you. Thank you. I'm glad I could help. If you ever need further assistance or have questions about the 1099 process or anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.